What's up guys, welcome to a new video. We have just reached 10k subscribers, 10,000 subscribers. Thank you so much guys. I really appreciate your support, and we'll go ahead and continue making awesome tutorials and videos as you like them. So because we have reached this incredible goal, I promised myself to make the Discord server that you all wanted. Alright, so right now is live, so first link in the description. You can go ahead and join right now. You know, this is just a quick video touring how it is and all that stuff. All right, so yeah, I also want to mention that you can see people already joining and stuff. We just posted on there. We're 3 guys, we're 3. Anyway, very soon, very soon, I will be releasing the special 10k subscribers special video. I think you guys will love it. You know, I have been working very hard on it, so hopefully soon you guys will have it available. Anyway, let's go ahead and tour a bit this server. So first of all, we have the rules channel over here, and of course you have to respect these rules, guys. We have 9 of them, which are just no insulting. We have to be respectful to each other. Do not swear, do not spam. Only English is a lot. Do not speak in caps. No self-promotion except for pro showcase. So you can see we already have like a showcase channel over here where you can put your work and etc. And then guys, keep the names private, guys, and then keep everything in their respective channels. And that's all. Enjoy. So yeah, right after you saw all the rules, you can just hop into the introduce yourself channel. You can just go ahead and write up a quick summary, just like, I don't know, I'm a programmer and I'm an artist, or I have just started learning Unreal Engine, etc. So just go ahead and introduce yourself. We have also an announcements channel, which I will be posting the cool stuff over here, like big announcements, I guess. We also have a new videos bot set up YouTube over here, so when new videos will upload, you will also have them over here. All right, so then we have the general chat. Thank you for not. So this is just a place to talk about general stuff on game development and etc. It's just the general channel on the Discord server. So then we have the help category over here. So we have a few different text channels. So if you have any problem, you can just put it. Well, if it's on blueprints, you can just put it in blueprints. If it's about level design, if about animation, C++, materials, multiplayer. And as this grows, I will be of course adding more channels and etc. Of course, I am totally open for any type of feedback, suggestion. So if you guys want to see anything new or whatever, just go ahead and let me know, and I will go ahead and I will make these changes and improve it. All right, so we also have, like I mentioned before, the showcase channel over here. You can put on whatever thing you're working on. You can put a screenshot, a small video, whatever you like, explain kind of, okay guys, I'm making this, etc. So yeah, it is to you to put whatever you like over there. And then you just have I think on my socials, go ahead and check them all out, to put stuff. And then you can put some feedback over here, or you can also put it of course in my comments in YouTube or Twitter, whatever you prefer. And then lastly, we have some voice chat channels, so just UE5 general, help area, feedback area, etc. So you can just go ahead and hop in with a lot of guys. So yeah, I will be definitely very active in this Discord server, and so on. A lot of people will. So go ahead, join up. It's gonna be the first link in the description, and yeah, just go ahead and join. We're gonna have a good time over here. So thank you again guys for the 10k subscribers. This is an amazing goal. It has been like a dream, honestly, so it's pretty amazing. And yeah, like I mentioned before, I will be dropping the special 10k video very soon. So hopefully you guys will enjoy it. I think you guys will love it. Anyway, now yes, with all that said, we'll go ahead and see in the server. Okay, so hop in. With all that said, bye bye.